Watch out, watch out, watch out! Shots fired, shots fired. Give me a rifle.
Shots fired. Lakeland and Jacob, 43 is up to west.
45, we have 3 Bravo Mike, one with a white shirt, black shorts, southbound towards OCB. Bravo Mike, black shirt, black shorts, southbound towards OCB from Tampa. And a Bravo Mike, westbound on Jacob towards Texas. We need units. Copy, I've got one Bravo Mike wearing all black. She's going behind the Beauty Depot towards, I think it's Pendana, the new apartment complex is on OCB. South 40, we got the South 40, can we downgrade to 43 and set it up on emergency channel?
Yeah, that's simple. We got plenty of units. That way and that way. Hey, if you want, try and make contact in these apartments right here, because we were getting shot at this way as I was shooting at them going this way. So make sure everyone on the bottom floor is good. Hey sir, you guys all good up there? Okay. Ma'am, are you guys all good in your apartment? Are you guys all good? Ma'am.
We have one Bravo Mike, black shirt, black shorts.
You all right?